told you that Facebook is literally paying people to post photos, text updates, reels, and even stories. And yes, even if you're starting out, just like these creators who are making anywhere between $20,000 to $50,000 a month, posting simple content. I have started testing this myself and already made my first $17. You probably think that making money on social media is just for influencers with huge followings, but Facebook is quietly becoming one of the easiest platforms to monetize as long as you're posting original content and switching to professional mode. I'm talking about bonuses, payout for reels over 10 seconds, and just writing plain text that pays you. And here's the wild part, you don't even need to go viral. Before we go through the step-by-step process, I have put together a free checklist that breaks down everything you need to do to set up Facebook monetization and what to avoid that could get your profile demonetized. Comment money below if you want a copy. Let's break this down visually because Facebook monetization is like setting up a vending machine. You load it with content, photos, reels, quotes, text, and Facebook pays you every time someone engages. So let me walk you through the entire setup of what you need to do. Step one, you need to turn on professional mode. All right, so once you are in your page, whether that is your Facebook profile or your Facebook business page, just like this one, you're gonna see a button right here that says professional dashboard. Now, one thing that I do wanna say as a disclaimer, if you're trying to take this serious and make money with it, I highly recommend that you do this on a regular Facebook business page because there's no limitations on how many people could follow you. So essentially this page could have millions of followers versus a Facebook profile page. The limit is 5,000. Obviously, you need more followers over time so you could get more engagement and get paid more. So if you're looking to do this and really take it to the next level where you're going to take it serious and do this side hustle, then do a regular Facebook page, just like this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to click right here. And from here, you're going to go to your left-hand side on your professional dashboard, and you're going to click on monetization. It's going to tell you right here if you are eligible or not. Now, the Facebook content monetization is an invite-only program, and they will invite you, or you probably already have the invite and you don't even know, if you've been posting on your page consistently. If you have not, just like this page that I have not, it will tell you this, not yet eligible. And that's fine, that's normal. What you want to do in order to unlock the monetization and get that invite from Facebook is that you want to start posting 2 to 3 times on your page. And I mean original. Don't share other people's posts. Don't screenshot and repost. Facebook will demonetize you fast if it's not your original content and you get flagged for copyrights. Also, when you share someone else's post, because it's not original content, it won't be monetized. What you want to do is use a tool like Post Planner to find viral content for inspiration. So essentially, you're using Post Planner to find viral content that is already performing, that you know is going to work. It's not content that you think might work. This is viral content that if you were to reshare it, more likely it will go viral for you or get a lot of reach and a lot of engagement. Now, never copy someone else's work. What you could use is a combination of ChatGPT to create variations of that quote or whatever else you're trying to mimic or create something similar. Now, with Post Planner, I'm going to leave my referral link right below this video, as well as in the comments with a coupon code. You could try it out for free. And then if you decide to upgrade, you'll have that discount as well. So when you go in here, they do have a video training. This is what I was using in order to get familiarized with it. And the way that I found out about this tool is because a lot of the people that are making 20, 30, 40,000 are using this particular tool. So it's really, really cool because you could just come over here where it says content and you're able to find the viral content from any page. You're able to search from different social media platforms. You're able to curate for blogs. You're able to find quotes and post ideas by clicking here. It does have a prompt AI also as well. What I prefer is searching for those pieces of content that went viral, because I want to make sure that I'm not spending, a few hours a week planning out my whole schedule for the next week, creating content that's not going to work. You want that proven content. So you could essentially just go in here and type in someone that is huge in the space, like let's say Mel Robbins. And this is going to go ahead and pull out all of her pages from like Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit, etc. So let's just wait a few seconds here. All right, so from here, it's going to show me like her Facebook page. It's going to show me her additional page, which is the Mel Robbins Show, a fans page, and another fans page. So I'm going to naturally click on this one here. And from here, I'm able to see all of the content that she has posted on this particular page. So for instance, you could go up here and you could change this from articles to images. Obviously, she's probably not posting articles on her Facebook page. But as you can see all the posts here. If you scroll to the bottom, you're able to see how many shares, how many people commented, and how many people liked. Now, what's nice about this is that I could come down here and I could say, okay, shares is the most important metric, because that means that that person shared it. That's the most important. It's more important than like and more important than comments. It takes more energy because now you're sharing it in your own feed. So this is the metric that I would look at first. And then I will come here and see, okay, what type of post can I create that's relevant to my niche, right? So I'm in business teaching small business owners how to make money online, how to grow their businesses, how to grow brand. So I'm going to try to find something here relevant to my niche, and you want to do the same. So let's say I like this one. It says, you're not responsible for other people's happiness. Let them be unhappy. This one did pretty well. It got 30,000 shares. It got 57,000 likes and 1.4 thousand comments. This is what you want. You want this type of viral post that's going to set you up the right way, because now when you start creating these type of posts, you have a better chance of actually growing as well. So what I would do is I would go to ChatGPT. So what I ended up writing was, write another variation of this quote. You are not responsible for other people's happiness. Let them be unhappy. Also write a caption encouraging people to engage by saying, if you agree, like and share. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to write me that variation. So now it says, you can't carry everyone's happiness on your back. Sometimes the kindest things that you could do is let them sit in their own feelings. If you agree, hit the like button and share this reminder with someone who needs to hear it today. I like to put this as a quote. I could go to Canva and create a quote, but keep in mind, you get paid for text too. So you don't necessarily have to create a quote and spend more time. You could actually just copy this and this and just post that in your Facebook page, and that's it. But as you can see, I have the quote is different. That in copy word by word is still in the same sentiment, but it's different. And then I added something extra. I'm asking people, hey, don't forget to like and share this. Why? Because those are the important metrics. If you have that call to action, most likely more people are going to go ahead and take action. And in the beginning, when you are first starting out and you don't have a lot of followers and people are not engaging, it's really, really important that you start adding some sort of call to action for some type of engagement to get that reach up. And remember, when people share that, their friends see it. And then if they share it again, their friends see it. So that does have a ripple effect. But this is how you use Post Planner. And it's really going to help you find content that you know perform well. So when you post it, more than likely, it will perform well for you as well. One proof this works. So next, I want to show you accounts that are making money through Facebook monetization. And I want to show you different accounts so you can have an idea of what you actually could do for your very own Facebook page. The first page I have is Amy Jackson, and she has a really big personality, which I love because I'm the opposite. I'm very introverted. So I wish I was more like her. And this is her page. It's just like behind the scenes. She posts a lot of photos of what she's doing, what she's eating. She does videos like this that she shares things about, like this one is a Christmas wish list. Here she's showing a picture of her lunch. Remember, you get paid for photos, you get paid for videos, you get paid for just like text. So every single thing that you post on your page, if it gets views and engagement, you get paid. It's that simple. She has a picture here of her hermit. She has a picture here of her outfit of the day, which is really cute. She has a picture here of her beautiful family and so on. As you can see, it's just regular things that you will post. A lot of people are using Facebook like this on a consistent basis and not getting paid. So why not monetize the content or whatever you're sharing? Facebook doesn't care what you share as long as it's original. Obviously, it's not copyright or trademark, and you're keeping people on their platform. That's why they're paying you. So they could care less if you're sharing pictures of your dog, your family, or your business. So this is one example. This young lady makes anywhere from her videos, she has shown even proof of it, anywhere between $20,000 to $50,000 per month on Facebook. Let me show you a second account. This one is from a young lady. Her account is called The Budget Mom. I mean, it's a really great name. And her account, obviously, as you could tell, is all about budgeting. But she also talks about how she's made money through the Facebook ads. So for the month of October, she made $550. I believe, and don't quote me on this, but I believe the previous month, it was like $225. So she's gone up. She's double her income. So right now she's made $550. I'm sure she's going to give an update for November and so on. So she does have a larger following, obviously. But again, this is me showing you different pages so you could have the proof that people are actually making money, but also to encourage you to start something and stick with it. If you stick with it and you start posting on a consistent basis and you pick a theme, whether that's family or like this, budgeting, whatever you're into, and you actually love and care and you're helping people and you're providing value, it will grow. Another account that I have for you is this one here. This is Good Financial Sense. Now, this is the gentleman that made $39,000 for the month of, I believe it was September, October or September. I think it's October actually. $39,000. Now, his account is a little bit bigger as well. But keep in mind, as you start posting, creating content that is going viral, like he's creating content that is going viral. You create viral content. A lot of people are resharing it. A lot of people are sharing it. Your growth will start growing. Like your account will start taking off. So even if you're starting from zero, or maybe you only have like 1,000 followers, don't freak out. This is long term. This is not something that's going to happen overnight. So his account is all about like finance. As you can see, anything finance, anything with money, anything with mortgage, government, and that's like trending right now too, right? Because of the crisis and everything we're going through right now. So it's a really good topic. That was his original topic already. So it makes sense. But he has grown because of it. Now, I remember him saying that what he does is that he posts very often. Like I think this gentleman is posting like 15 to 20 times per day. So definitely when you are reviewing these accounts based on how much they're making, make sure that you go through it and see, okay, this one was 6 hours. This one was 7 hours. So that means that this is an hour apart. And then this one was 8 hours. That's another hour apart. So make sure that you analyze all of that because he's making more because he's posting more. It's more chances of people seeing the content. And keep in mind that you might think, oh, why would I post that many times? People are going to get bothered. This is in the feed. So a lot of people are following a lot of people on Facebook. So they might see your post and they might not see it. So posting once or twice is not enough. Because if you're trying to grow it to that status where you're making, let's say, at least $10,000 a month, you do need to post quite often. I've been posting quite often as well, just testing different things. And I definitely noticed that the more I post, the better I perform, the more followers I got, and the more money I make. And then we have this particular lady here. I love her page, Viva La Pink Posh. And she, I believe in the most recent video that I found of hers, she makes 20,000 or maybe a little bit over 20,000. So all she does is like everything is pink and cute, as you can see. So she does a lot of photos, another pink drink, anything pink, as you can see, and it's a lot of photos more than anything that she's posting. She does like quotes. She has this cute video here. Everything is pink. And you could just imagine there's a lot of people out there that they will like this page. They will follow a theme page like this. This works really, really well. I honestly believe that if I started a theme page, I could probably grow it faster than my regular Nancy Badillo brand, because there I'm talking about Etsy tips, digital products, Canva tips. Not saying that those things can't grow, but I feel like something like this, like when you share a quote, is more relatable to so many people. You have a broader audience. And I think that's why this works really, really well. I do believe theme accounts perform better. But as you can see, the account I just showed you is a theme account. Obviously, it's a wealth, but it made 39,000, which is crazy for 1 month of content. And this young lady here, this is her. Look how beautiful she is. She is killing it just by posting pictures, regular stuff that she promotes, cute things like this that people are like, oh my God, that's so cute. Let me save it. Let me share. Look at this, 100 shares. She posted like a little party get together with your friends. This is how it should look, 100 shares. So paying attention to stuff like that, seeing what are people sharing? What are people resonating with the most? But as you can see, these are accounts that you could take inspiration from. You could use the post planner to see what was their posts that got them the most viral or went more viral with. And I believe this young lady had a quote that said, I'm wishing my boyfriend the best so he could buy me everything I want. And that particular quote made her $1,400. It was just a regular post. Guys, this is a really great way to monetize. It's not something that you're going to blow up overnight, but if you treat it like a real business and you put all of your energy, definitely you could see growth, and you could find something that pays you money without you having to sell anything if you don't want to, because you're getting paid based on views, engagement, and reach. So these are the pages that I wanted to show you just to give you examples of different niches, different theme pages, and different ideas that you could take to use for inspiration. This strategy is all about consistency and leverage. Think of every post as a seed. You share that post to your story, double exposure. Then you share it into 5 to 10 relevant Facebook groups. Now you have multiplied your reach. If you do this daily, you're not just growing, you're compounding your visibility, engagement, and potential earnings. Why? Because when you're sharing groups with content that makes someone feel something, whether it's relatable, it's funny, it's inspiring, or helpful, they are far more likely to hit that share button. And once they share it, their friends will see it. And then their friends will see it. And suddenly, one post can turn into a ripple effect, reaching thousands more than your original audience. This is how you grow massively, but also make money from Facebook. Don't forget to comment money below to get the Facebook monetization starter checklist, because it's going to save you from beginner pitfalls and speed up your path to payouts. Now that you know how to get monetized, the next step is to actually start posting. Let me know in the comments if you plan to start and if you need help coming up with an idea for your niche or theme page. Drop a comment below, and thanks for watching.